All right, guys, so right now we have Wife Sequoia packed up, ready to go. So I might as well tell you guys what we're doing. Today, what we're doing is packing the Sequoia up with the wheels and tires and the kit to get it wide bodied. So just come along with me as we take the trip down to Indy Paints in Fullerton to get this thing done, and you'll see some clips when we get there. I'll probably get some clips of when it's being done and show you what it looks like at the end as well. All right, this is the last fill up that she has a stock body. Not bad. Let's go. What up, everybody? So just a quick little update. The car is inside of the area that we brought it in, and kind of went over how the kit's gonna fit and what he needs to do to it, and kind of just going over the general aspect of how everything works. And we're about to bring the Sequoia over. We're gonna drop off everything and we're gonna put those new wheels on, so that way when he's fitting the kit, he's able to cut whatever he needs to and make sure that everything's got clearance on there, so we don't have any type of rubbing issues. All right, guys, so everything is offloaded off the truck. As you can see, there's a nice little neat pile here. This is the Adro wide body kit for the Veloster N. So if you guys have watched my channel, you've known that all I use on my car when it comes to the carbon, when it comes to anything that I want to do cosmetically on the outside, if they provide it, that's who I use. I was just talking to Indy right now, and he told me that this is his favorite kit to do. So he's done the K5 kit, I believe he's done the Stinger kit as well, and now he's doing the Veloster kit. One thing that he says is he loves it because he doesn't have to mess with it. It is a beautiful fitment. He says that you just put that thing on after you've cut where you need to cut. Body lines line up perfectly. Everything is great. So huge shout out to all the people over at Adro, because they are doing amazing freaking work. So let me show you what the car looks like outside, because my hands are a little dirty for a reason. So this is all the kit here that we're putting on. These are my stock fenders, because I have carbon vented fenders now, and those are going to be up for sale if somebody hasn't already grabbed them by the time you guys are watching this. So those are my stock fenders that we're going to be putting it on. And now this is what the car looks like. So of course we went red because that was the color of the car beforehand, but look at that. So we went ahead and put them on because we want to make sure that everything is ready to go, that he can fit the kit exactly how it needs to go, not worry about, okay, how are the tire and wheels going to fit. So we went ahead and put them on. We got one of my drifts over here, we got the other three over here. Look at how much wider this is going to be. I cannot wait to see what the final result is going to be. So while I'm here, tell me what you guys think. Purple lug nuts with this dark silver wheel, or should I go white on the wheel with the purple lug nuts? I'm gonna keep the purple lug nuts no matter what. That aluminum cap is gonna stay silver no matter what. But tell me, should I stick with this color for a bit or just immediately go white? Let me know. I'll leave it up to you guys. And here in the front, that's what it's gonna look like too. So this is where I'm gonna leave you guys, and next time that you see this car, it's not gonna be completely done, but it'll be 75% of the way done. All right, guys, hit that like button, comment down below, subscribe if you haven't, share this video, and if we get to 1,000 likes on this video, which would be astronomical, I'll go ahead and purchase something from Audro and raffle it off. Doesn't have to be for the Veloster end, just anything that Audro carries. I will purchase one of those items and then raffle it off.
One eternity later.
So we just got to Cali, went ahead and dropped off the Kona. Greg from SoCal Garage Works came with me. He was dropping off his Kona at R1 Concepts because he's getting a big brake kit put on. And now we are finally gonna get to see the Veloster in its new form. So after a really uncomfortable Uber ride from R1 over here, let's see what it looks like. All right, so I can already see it. There it is, kind of peeking its head out. Damn, it already looks different, but let's take a look at it a little closer. So let me get some stuff taken care of and then I'll show you what it looks like. So here it is. It is installed 100% Audro wide body on my Veloster and looks freaking incredible. Now don't mind the fact that it's different color from the body itself. As you guys know, I don't like keeping my car red. I don't like red at all. So this is gonna get wrapped. Now what color? You guys have to watch in the next video. So right now we're gonna drive this thing back over to the house, air it out, show you what it looks like, and then send it off to wrap afterwards. We'll catch you guys back in Vegas. All right, so we're filling up right before we take off. So as you can see, wide body is on. Thank you Indie Paints for the amazing work. Everything looks freaking awesome. Fenders, side skirts, everything's in. We got the new wheels on there, the SSR GTX 01s. Tires, I'm gonna switch out a little bit. These are just temporary tires to get us over here, get the kit fitted, and then go from there. And a couple things are going to change as well, but honestly, I love it. It adds just the right amount of white to the car without making it super crazy. It's amazing. First impressions, amazing. So now drive it back to Nevada, get everything situated, get everything scheduled to be done. And then the next video, you guys will see it start transforming again. So let's start getting on the road. All right, so after a 4-hour-long trip, the car is back home. So car looks amazing. It performs as well as it should, of course. And honestly, I love it. The first thing that I did already notice with the wide body on is that these wider wheels and tires make a huge difference when you're driving in different curves and such. There's a huge difference there. You feel it. You feel the car more planted and everything. So definitely a huge difference. Another thing here on the actual kit, like I told you guys in the first video, I was told that the Audro stuff just fits beautifully, and indeed it does. They really had to do nothing to make this fit the way that it does, and it's gorgeous. I love it. Everything here, the vents are functional. Look at this carbon piece that just goes down here. It looks so beautiful. Everything is perfect the way that I would want it. And of course, you know, there's some stuff we gotta take off, the final little pieces of wrap and stuff and things like that, which isn't really a big deal, but now it needs to get wrapped. So it's time to get that done. I'm gonna get that all situated. Tell me what you guys think about what I've done to the car so far. There's a couple of things that I gotta go ahead and make sure that are fine-tuned. But now, why don't we check out what it looks like when it's dumped. So this is what it looks like aired out, and holy cow, this looks sick. This looks freaking amazing. I love the way that it looks, how everything came out. Look at how tucked that is. It looks beautiful. All right, so tell me what you guys think. If you like what I've done, next phase is coming up. Let me know what you think. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't to stay up to date with what I'm doing to this car. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.